Indigo Airline is hiring candidates for cabin crew and ground staff every week. Not only Indigo, but even airlines like AirAsia, Vistara, Air India is hiring in a big way every month. Most of the people don't even know how to apply for these jobs. And even if you know how to apply and you apply, 90% of the people fail in the interviews. You know why? Because they don't know what the airlines are expecting from them. They go unprepared and they get failed in the interviews, and after that they do not get an opportunity for a few months to apply again for the same jobs. So if you want to be in the top 10% who will get selected, then you have to prepare. You have to get certified, take the training in all required areas, and appear with confidence so that you can be the next candidate for the next available jobs. We have helped hundreds of students in last few years who are well placed in many airlines and are having a glamorous lifestyle and very happy with their jobs. So my friend, you could be the next one. So what are you waiting for? Just go down on the link and we look forward to seeing you soon.